Okay, you can start.
Okay, so ISM question of the day. The first question says you should explain 3 factors. Explain 3 factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis.
Okay, you finish with that one. Explain that one, then you go to the next one.
Okay, so
Yeah.
photosynthesis is defined as, so the first point, definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is defined as the process whereby green plants manufacture their own food by the combination of mineral salts, sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. So this is the definition for photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis has an equation, and the equation states that 6H2O plus 6CO2 given us C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Here with sunlight and chlorine. So that is the definition for photosynthesis. Now coming to the factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. One, we have temperature. 2, we have light. 3, we have carbon dioxide concentration.
Is there a refuge dump over there? And backward.
Taking them one after the other.
Move from
I
there.
take temperature first. So temperature.
Have you seen a refuge dump over there?
So temperature. Temperature affects photosynthesis such that the higher the temperature, the faster the rate of photosynthesis. Temperature affects photosynthesis such that the higher the temperature, the faster the rate of photosynthesis. But note that a higher temperature for a long period denatures diminishes the enzymes needed for photosynthesis. So that's temperature, how it affects.
Talking to the board.
Okay, so that's temperature, how it affects photosynthesis. The higher the temperature, the faster the rate of photosynthesis. We have to note that a higher temperature for a long period denatures the enzymes needed for photosynthesis. Now let's take light. Let's take light. Light affects photosynthesis. So the lower the intensity, of light, the lower the rate of photosynthesis.
Writing too small. I told you, you don't write like that on the board. That's too small. You don't write like you're writing a book.
As
You are explaining to us, so don't be talking to the board.
as intensity increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increases. And analyze also, you have to note something. NB. A very high intensity bleaches the chlorophyll, which slows down the rate of photosynthesis. So a very high intensity bleaches the chlorophyll, which slows down the rate of photosynthesis. As intensity increases, the rate of photosynthesis also increases. But a very high intensity will bleach the chlorophyll, which will slow down the rate of photosynthesis. That is under light. And you have to also note something under light. NB. An intensity.
Can't you say it before you write? Explain it before you write. So that
an intensity of about 100,000 lux will be sufficient for photosynthesis. And you have to note also that lux is the unit for measuring light intensity. So an intensity of 100,000 lux, note the spelling of lux, is sufficient for photosynthesis. So lux is the unit for measuring light intensity. So that is under light. How light affects the rate of photosynthesis.
in this side. It's okay. It's okay.
The next one is carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide concentration. So, carbon dioxide utilized by land plants is absorbed by leaves from the atmosphere. If a plant is deprived of carbon dioxide, no photosynthesis will occur. This indicates the importance of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide reduces in the dark reaction to form carbohydrates. So let's write something about carbon dioxide concentration. So carbon dioxide utilized by land plants is absorbed by the plant by the leaves from the atmosphere. If a plant is deprived of carbon dioxide, no photosynthesis will occur. This indicates the importance of carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide utilized by land plants is absorbed by the leaves from the atmosphere. If the plant is deprived of carbon dioxide, no photosynthesis will occur. This indicates the importance of carbon dioxide. An experiment to show the importance of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis is when part of the leaves is placed in a bottle containing caustic soda, which absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere of the leaf. Later, it is tested and it doesn't turn blue, which shows carbon dioxide is very important in photosynthesis.
You're talking to the this one. That's it.
So that is question 1. So question 2.